Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a game back on your PlayStation after you delete it. So I'm on the PS4 right now. All you have to do is go over to the right and go to the library right here and select this. Then go down to your purchase section right here. And these are all the games that you've ever added to your account. You just have to select it and then you can download it back to your PlayStation. So I can find a smaller game because I don't have a lot of storage, maybe this backgammon game. I can just select it and then go to download, and I can download it to my PlayStation very easily now, and it'll be added to the home screen. So it's under the download section, and you can see it on the home screen right here, and then you can go up to notifications so you can see downloading. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.